Recently, I ordered the OPI Dreaming Collection because it reminded me of my Pure Ice nail polishes, and I thought maybe there might be some dupes. So we're going to be revisiting a couple of the colors that I've already swatched to see if indeed they are dupes. Forewarning, I don't think any of them are dupes because the Pure Ices are all pearlescent, excuse me. And thank you to whoever reminded me of the term because I, for the life of me, couldn't think of it. I kept calling them shimmery or frosted. So thank you. The OPIs are cremes with microfine glitter. It's not even a shimmer, it's a microfine glitter. Now, I'm not mad at it. They're beautiful colors. They're very reminiscent of the Pure Ices that I have in my collection. And I think that if you had this particular color, you would love this color. You know, very similar, but not dupes. So I'm going to be revisiting a couple of these. You'll see over the next few days because this happens to be a backup bottle. I have a backup bottle of this color, and I'm going to do my backups that I've already swatched that I think resemble the corresponding OPI color. After that, we're going to taper it back down to the weekly vintage polish, and then I'll fill in the other days with something else because I want to enjoy my, unicorn colors for at least a week. I don't want to just wash them off and be done with them. I want to enjoy the shades that I can't replace for a couple of days. It also gives me the opportunity when I'm out grocery shopping or whatever, if I see something similar, maybe I can pick something up, finagle my budget to where I can pick up a bottle here or there of polish that might be a dupe. So there's that. Also down the road, I'm going to pick up swatch sticks so that I can also catalog all of the Pure Ice colors on a swatch stick with the corresponding shade name and number so that I can actually carry them with me and I don't have to feel guilty about using up the bottles of Pure Ice because I don't want the colors lost to time. I don't know why I had the forethought when I was in my teens not to use up the last bottle of color that I had. I just did. I wanted to save it for some reason, and I'm glad I did because if something ever happens to me, I don't want the colors lost to time. I would want them to go to a fellow person that appreciates nail polish and that can put them maybe in like some sort of cosmetics museum, like nail polish museum or whatever. I don't want them to just get destroyed. I don't know if that makes any sense, but okay, this video is going to get way too long, so I'm going to end it here, but this will be, I think, the next swatch that I'll be doing, so I'll see everybody later. Bye-bye!